As we step into the future of 2023, the traditional practice of Rishte in Pakistan is about to undergo a remarkable transformation. Gone are the days of depending solely on matchmakers and family connections. The power of technology will bridge the gap, bringing potential life partners closer than ever before.
In this futuristic world, online platforms will play a central role in connecting individuals seeking matrimonial alliances. With just a few swipes and clicks, you can explore a vast pool of profiles, filtering through various preferences and interests. No longer limited by geographical boundaries, you can find your perfect match from the comfort of your own home. But that's not all. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, these platforms will provide personalized matchmaking suggestions based on your unique attributes. Utilizing complex algorithms, they will analyze compatibility factors like never before, increasing the chances of finding someone truly compatible. In this digital age, communication is effortless. Video calls and virtual meetings will become an integral part of the matchmaking process, allowing individuals to get to know each other better before making any commitments. This virtual interaction will bring transparency and make the decision-making process even more informed. But what about trust? With the rise of online interactions, the concern for authenticity is natural. To tackle this, verification processes will be strengthened, ensuring the legitimacy of profiles and, consequently, fostering a more secure environment. In this futuristic landscape, Rishte will no longer be a burdensome task but a delightful journey towards finding a life partner. So embrace the change, embrace the technology, and embark on this exciting adventure of love and companionship. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on upcoming trends and innovations.